I am showing to this video some field attribute calculator. So at first you have to calculate some field in your perspective requirement. So at first you have to open in your attribute table. I have opened the attribute table, and there is a ID calculate as per the requirement at for the your requirement. So my requirement is at first the site ID showing in the region ID underscore 5000 to start it in this site ID. Okay, so at first you have to click in the field open field calculator, and you have to use in control I. So this is the shortcut key. I have to open in field calculator. So you have to select in at first you have to select the update existing field and select the site ID, because I have to calculate the ID in site ID field. Okay, so before site open file calculator, at first you have to select in the 10 rows. Why you have to shown after the video, okay, how why I have to select in 10 rows. Okay, so then you have to open the field calculator, and you have to select the update existing field, and click in the site ID. Okay, so my requirement is the site ID field to show in the region ID underscore 5000. Okay, so at first you have to select the fields and values, and then click the region ID. Okay, I have to click the region ID. Then you have to click the string concatenation concatenation. Okay, and then you have to show the underscore. So at first you have to click single inverted comma, and then put the underscore and close the single inverted comma. Okay, so there is showing the preview Shiv Shankar underscore. Okay, and then you have to click the same string concatenation. I have to click the concatenation, and then you have to start it which number you have to need it. I have to start it, I needed to in suppose 5000. Okay, so there is showing the Shiv Shankar underscore 5000. Okay, in this preview you have to show, then you have to need it to 5000. So then you have to click in the same string congregation, and then you have to search the ID. You have to show the $ID. You have to click the $ID. Okay, so there was showing in the Shiv Shankar. So there is showing the preview Shiv Shankar underscore 50,000, because here is a 5,000, and to add in ID have to put it in 0, start to in 0, 1 2 3 4. So 5000 plus 0, so there was showing in 50,000, but we need to record in only 4 digits. So I have to remove the 10. So that's why the preview is showing in 5000. Okay, so then you have to click in the OK, and here is will be shown in the starting in 5000, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so that's why I have to select the 1 to 10 rows. Okay, row, then you have to select in the 11 row to 100 row, because 100 rows in the you have to select in 100 rows, so that's why there were the 2-digit number, so I have to select it in 100 row. So then you have to same process, you have to click in open field calculator and then update existing field. You have to select in the site id, and you have to put it the same formula, but changes in is one portion. There is a I have to select in the 500 number. uh, uh, Now I have to remove 10, because there are the digit number already here, or we needed to in 4 digit, so I have to remove in another 0. So then you have to calculate the 4-digit number, and then I have to click the OK, and there was showing in the SIP number 50999. Okay, you have to see there is a 5009, and after that 5010, 11 12 13 14, and then you have to 5099, and then select in the 101 row, and then you have to select in the last 3 2 3. Okay, you have to same process, you have to open the field calculator, and then you have to select in the site id, and then same you have to put the same mm, expression, but you need to change in one portion. That's the you have to there was a 3-digit number, so we need to remove another 10, and I have to remove in another 10, so that's why you have to calculate in the 4-digit number. So then I have to click in OK, and there is showing in the SIPSONGR underscore 4-digit number. Okay, you have to show, then 5099 5100 123 456, and you have to put it in the 320 5322. Okay, so as per your needed, as per your requirement, you have to click change in your site id number. Suppose you have to change the number 5200, so at first you have to select in the 10 row, and you have to open the field calculator, and then you have to click the site id, and you have to click in the same formula, but you have to change in the 5200. Then you have to put it at first 5200, and there is a 1-digit number here, so we remove in the 10. Okay, and then you have to click in the OK, and you have to showing that this is the uh, changes of the number 5 starting to 5200, and 5200 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so this is the process how to calculate the id as per your requirement. So thank you.